Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step by step how you can easily enable airplane mode on your iPhone 14. So there's like two ways how you can do it. The first way is go to the top right and just take it, and then you under like up to Wi-Fi you're gonna have the airplane mode right here. This is the first way how you can do it. The second way how you can like enable airplane mode is if you would go next to the App Store to settings, and then next to the like up to the Wi-Fi you're gonna have airplane mode. So it's simply click here, and that's pretty much it how you do it. So if you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And this is how you can easily enable airplane mode. So yeah, have a great day and goodbye.